Hi, welcome to Confetti Sprinkles. Today we are going to be making rainbow ice cream with a surprise flavor. The ingredients are 1 cup of milk, 2 cups of whipping cream, 3/4 cups of sugar, pink, yellow, and blue food colors, but you can use any kind you like, and 1 flavor syrup. We're using a surprise. The ingredient list is under the video like always. First, we're gonna add the milk. Now we're gonna add the sugar. Now let's mix it up. Now we're gonna add our heavy cream. Now let's mix it up some more. Now we're gonna add our secret ingredient. Now let's mix it up one more last time. Now we're gonna turn on our ice cream machine with an extra cold bowl and add our mixture. After our ice cream has mixed for about 25 minutes, then we're gonna add our M&Ms. After those have mixed in, there's already a little rainbow swirl, but we're gonna make more. So we're gonna scoop the ice cream into bowls. There's a great big rainbow in a bowl. There's a rainbow in the bowl. And there's a rainbow in the bowl. Now that we have the ice cream in bowls, then we're gonna add our food coloring. I'm gonna add a few drops, see what it looks like, and if it's not dark enough, then I'll add a few more drops. First the pink. Now we're gonna mix it up. Now let's add our yellow. Now we're gonna add our blue. Here's our pink. Here's our yellow. And here's our blue. Now we're gonna put them in the freezer to make them a little more solid. You don't want them runny, but you don't want them too solid. Now that we let our ice cream freeze a little bit, we're gonna put them in one bowl. Now that we have added it to one bowl, we're gonna swirl it once or twice. Now we're gonna put it in the freezer for a couple of hours and let it freeze the rest of the way. Here's what it looks like when it's all done. Look at all the rainbow swirls. Now let's taste it. Yum, mint chocolate chip, my daddy's favorite. If you had fun, leave me a comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, bye-bye.